Folks, this recipe is a winner. It is cheesy, creamy, with a crunchy topping. It's delicious. I just took it out of the oven just a little while ago. You've got to try it. So come on with me, let's get to cooking. And today we're going to be making simple au gratin potatoes. We saw this recipe on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives with Guy Fieri. Flavortown! It looked so delicious that I had to scale it down a little bit because, you know, restaurants cook for large amounts. But it's going to be good. So you need a large bag, 30 ounces of shredded potatoes. I thawed mine a little so it will stir easier. I've set my oven to 350 and I've sprayed my pan with cooking spray. And we're going to put 1 cup of celery soup in there. And this is 1 can of cream of chicken. And we got 1 cup of sour cream. And then you got 1 cup of water, 1 cup of chopped onion, medium onion, chopped, 8 ounces of cheese, salt and pepper. I'll just put just a hair of salt because that cheese has sodium in it. A little bit of garlic, about a tablespoon. And I'm going to mix it. And we're going to put it in my 13-9 pan that I've sprayed. And smooth that out. And we're going to take make a topping. It's 1, and it's 2 cups of Italian breadcrumbs, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and a half a cup of melted butter. And we're going to mix this all together. We're going to take this mixture, we're going to sprinkle it over the top of the casserole. We're going to cover it with foil. We're going to cook it at 350 for an hour. Folks, just taking these out of the oven, the au gratin potatoes, and they look wonderful. They've got that brown, crusty Parmesan crust, breadcrumbs, and then you got the cheese and the potatoes. Oh my goodness, it's going to be good. So I hope you try this recipe. I know you'll love it, and it goes with anything. As always, God bless. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.